All right, welcome everybody. Well, my name is Sharonda Faye, and welcome back to my channel, Relax with Sharonda Faye. Now, today is going to be a tutorial on how to use the free version of Canva to create your banner for your YouTube channel. I tried this earlier today, actually several times, and I had some issue with software, so I had to upload some new software to download and redo my video. Okay, so the first thing you'd want to do is to register for Canva if you don't already have an account. That's the first thing. So for you all who do have Canva, we're going to go ahead to the next step. You would want to open up two pages for Canva. And then at the first page, we're going to click Create a Design. And here's where I want to do a search for YouTube banner, or as you can see, I've already done a search for it before. So I'm going to just click YouTube banner. Okay, and just wait for that to load. All right, and then now that we have the YouTube banners, I'm going to choose this one here. It says Mariana. I love the coloring, and this is the one I actually used for my YouTube channel. Okay. All right. So the next thing we want to do, now that we have the YouTube banner that we want to use, we want to go to our second Canva tab, and we want to go to blog banner. You can either do a search for it in your search bar, or since I've already done this before, I'm going to go to blog banner and click that to open up my screen. And the reason why this is so important that you do a blog banner on the free version is that once you get ready to upload your banner to YouTube from Canva, it's going to tell you that your file is too large. Now, let me show you here. Once you go to your YouTube page, you want to click on channel customization. And when you do that, it tells you for the best results on all devices, use an image that's at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes or less. So that's the requirement that YouTube suggests for banners. Okay, and so whenever you go to Canva, the actual YouTube banner would be too large of a file to upload or download from the free version. And so that's why you would have to go to use the blog banner. Of course, you can always upgrade and then you can condense your file so that it can fit. But if you do not want to upgrade, then you can still create a nice banner for your channel free through Canva. All right. So the next thing we want to do is to change what we want to change in our banner. So I want mine to say relax with Sharonda Faye. So relax. Okay. And then Sharonda Faye. I'm going to put that here. All right. I'm going to get rid of fashion and lifestyle. I'm just going to backspace out of that. And then I'm going to move the Sharonda Faye down just a little so that I can duplicate that, because I want to put my width here, because if I put it on the first title line, it's going to be too large and I don't like that. So I'm going to delete or backspace out of this and put the word width. I think I want to make it a little bit larger, so I'm going to plus up, or hit the plus button to increase my text. And then I'm going to line up my text in a way that I think it's nice. All right. There we go. And then move the surround fade up just a little bit more. Okay, so spacing is everything whenever you are creating your banner this way on the free version of Canva, because you're only going to get a limited amount of space for your banner. Okay, I didn't use the additional elements, the leaves on the screen, so I simply deleted those. But if you wanted to use those, you can definitely copy and paste everything over to your second page, your blog banner. Let's go back. We want to get the actual color first. A nice color gradient there. And then copy and paste our text boxes over to our second tab with the blog banner template. Okay, we want to finish doing all those. Move the surround fade out the way. Let's copy the width. Let's move this up a little bit. All right. And then we're going to copy the surround fade from the YouTube banner page that we opened. Copy. And go over to the next. Let's go back because that's a little too large. I put in the incorrect box. I'm going to put it down here. There we go. All right, and then we're going to resize our text just a little bit, because with the YouTube banner page, everything is slightly larger. Just want to make a slight adjustment to everything. Okay, and again, keep in mind the spacing, because you only have a limited amount of room doing it this way on the free version of Canva. Okay, so next I think I want to make this a little bit smaller, just a tad bit. There we go. Move this up a little bit more. All right, and for those of you who want to use the elements from the YouTube banner tab, then you can do the same thing, just copy and paste. But just as a reminder, you want to resize everything just a tad bit smaller so it'll look better on your blog banner tab. Okay, see how large that is? And just to resize, you just want to scroll over the white dots and then direct it to the way you want it to go to make it smaller. All right. And then go back and copy and paste the white flower. Slide this down. And then we also going to resize. Okay. Made that a little closer. And there you have it, your banner. So once you play around with it and get it how you like it, the next thing you want to remember to do is to save your work. So you're going to click on File, go down to Save. I'm not going to actually save this. And then you're going to go to Share in the top right corner of Canva. Press Share. Okay. And then you want to go to Download. Okay. And you see the size of this, right? It's 2,240 by 1,260 pixels. And that's right in line with the requirements of YouTube that we had seen before on the channel customization page. All right. Okay. And so once you download, I'm not actually going to do it, but once you download, another screen is going to pop up and it's going to ask you, where would you like to save your work? And I'll show you here. Yep, it's downloading. And then you can save it to whatever file you want to save it in. Mine's in my photo gallery. All right, so I'm going to cancel that out because I'm not going to really keep that. And then the finished product looks like, okay, I have a page here. It looks like this. This is the final page on my YouTube channel, Relax with Sharonda Faye. All right, let me know in the comments below what you liked about this tutorial and if you found it useful. All right, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.